I was trying to open the GDMS Plus app to access data and reports, but it either kept crashing or got stuck on a loading screen. If you're dealing with the same issue, there are a couple of quick things you can try, and you don't even need to open the app to do them. Start by checking if the servers are down. This app is connected to a backend system, so if the servers are offline, the app won't work no matter what you do. Open your browser and go to downdetector.com, or simply search GDMS Plus server status. If other users are reporting issues, it's most likely a temporary outage. In that case, your best move is to wait out. The app will usually start working again once the backend is restored. While you wait, or if you still need access, try using the web version instead. Just go to the GDMS official website through your browser and log in there. Most of the features from the app are also available on the site, and it's a reliable backup when a mobile version isn't loading properly. You can view dashboards, reports, and updates without relying on the app interface. If this walkthrough helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more fix-it guides, and check the description for quick links to the web version and server status. Thanks for watching.